Hi everyone, welcome to the Crack the Vault collaboration, which is hosted by Poetspice here on YouTube. If you're not familiar with her, please go visit her. And there are a lot of people participating in this collab. We post on the third Friday of each month at 10 a.m. Eastern. That would be the 15th of March 2024 this time. So I was inspired by two people. One was Paper Terrace here on YouTube, who just is doing fairy journals, and also Maria's Miscellany, who was walking through a book and had little fairy stickers and stuff she was putting in her junk journal book. And I thought, I have fairy dyes and stuff and stamps that I haven't used in ages or have never used. So these are what I did. There's this one, which was by Alina Craft. All of these were bought like 2017-18 time frame. These two are two different Spellbinder ones. Die Delights, Fairy Sierra and Fairy, I didn't know they had names, oopsie. And Fairy Ariana. And they both came with little magic wands to fairy wands. And then these two are two different companies, Cottage Cuts, which is Spring Fairy, and Faye Ella from Tonic. So I have those two, which you can't see. Anyway, and then this hadn't even been opened. I got it Tuesday morning. It is an embossing folder from Darice, but it is a fairy at a fairy door. And I used that, and then I used a couple stamps out of this, which had not ever been opened or used. I used this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I have some extra die cuts I didn't actually put to use yet, and I will keep them and use them on some things. And all of these, except the white one, were cut out of two paper pads I'm trying to use up, and I've told you many times already. One is a Recollections Hot Buy called Butterfly Blooms, and I used that in a project I'll show you too. And the other one was a Craftsmith Hot Buy pink paper pad. So here's the little fairy that I stamped, and I used watercolor. Oh, I forgot to tell you that. Hang on. The watercolors I used were Altenew. And on one project, I thought these were watercolors, but they're rub-ons. So I actually ended up using a Q-tip, and I'll show you that. I also used some of these on a project, two projects, and I pulled out these. Now, I had used these, but I had not used these in a long, long time. This was 48 sheets of Julie Nutting, different color tags, and one side is shiny, and the other side is kind of matte. Yeah, all different colors. I used a green one and a pink one, but I can't remember now if I used this pink one that had the orange or this one. Anyway, you'll see when we get that far. And then this, these white ones were cut out of Miss Sparkle and Company, which used to be at Joann's. How long ago was that? And shimmer paper. I had never used this. It wasn't open. I didn't know that Miss Sparkle and Company was actually part of DCWV, made specifically for Joanne, so I kind of wish they were back. But anyway, I thought I made two of those, but oh yeah, I did. There's another one hiding down here. Boop. So I used that for two of them. I didn't end up using them yet. This is, oh, there's two more fairy ones. This is the embossing folder. This one is out of the shimmer paper. And so is this one, but I tried my hand at watercoloring it. Yeah, I'm not real happy about it, but maybe it'll be all right on a project. I just haven't decided a project for that yet, or this. So let me show you the project I did do. I did two tags, and these are them. So, oh, another thing. Now this, I used some lace that I've had, look, 50 cents clearance from Walmart a long time ago. 7/31/19. So I've had that since 2019, and I don't know if I used it. If I did, I didn't use much of it. This I had used once or twice before, but it's been in my stash for a while. It says 2016 on here, but I probably got it, 2017 or 18. It hadn't been opened until actually a week or two ago, and I was looking for a trim, and I think I ended up not using it for whatever that project was, but it was still in the plastic as of that time, so that's a new, not used. Now, well, older new. It was unused, older. This was unused but brand new. I just got this on 50%, 25%, I don't know what. Paper Studio, 40% off. Yeah, 40% off at Hobby Lobby not long ago. The chiffon ribbon. They had it in all different colors. I have to go back whenever Paper Studio is on sale again and get more of that. I am loving that chiffon ribbon. I like the frayed look and everything. Anyway, the background papers on both of these, oh, that's the ribbon, are from that Recollections paper pad. I just stuck my finger in wet stickles. Oopsie. I'll fix that later. So here I just put a piece of lace down, bent the chiffon over. I did use Fabri-Tac to glue all the lacy stuff down. I'm so happy I bought that. I never had that before, and that's a recent purchase, the Fabri-Tac. Here's a stamp from that one stamp set, Make Your Own Magic. And the dots that I used here on this one were Altenew enamel dots, and I have used them, and they're not that old. 2021 it says. And I probably got them in 2022. Anyway, so the background paper was also out of this pad, and I stamped that one in Stampin' Up's Fresh Freesia, I think. This is out of that Craftsmith paper pad, and I did use the crystal stickles on their wings, both of them. I think I need a little more on this one. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, how sparkly her wings are. There we go. And the little lantern, I actually started to put some gold on it, and then I kind of rubbed it off because I didn't like it, but I like how it kind of shows through with a little gold, and then I put the crystal on it too. And on this one, I did the same on her wings, but I went around with this, it's like a neon, I don't know what the color is. Neon flamingo around here because I stamped this in Blushing Bride, which is a retired Stampin' Up color, and Mint Macaron, which is a retired Stampin' Up color. It says, once in a while, right in the middle of an ordinary life, love gives us a fairy tale. Yeah, I haven't been so lucky that way. But anyway, I tore the paper because it was one of those pieces that it's a big saying up here, but this had the border. So I cut it so I could get the two butterflies, and then the flowers are on the side like that. But I like that actually. And then I put the chiffon under it to have that raggedy edge and glued it down with Fabri-Tac, and then I went around the edges of that and this with the neon flamingo. Um, yeah, so that's it. And these already had glitter, or like that glittery look. Oh, and the dots on that one are the Dollar Tree, sort of this blue-green color because I thought they went good with the butterfly color in here. So those are my projects for Crack the Vault for the month of March. I hope you like them. I am really having fun using products I haven't used in ages, and some things I have, but and trying new techniques that I stink at, like watercolor. So hopefully I'll get better at them, but I don't know. If not, at least I'm having fun. Like, I think this really stinks. But I think that's partly because of how, it's actually raised up because it's 3D, or 2D. So I think I might end up doing this like a white on white. I don't know. Let me know what you think down below. Now this one I did in watercolor and I like that one. I think I did okay, but that's a lot easier. And that was on 110 pound, actually Michael's Coordinations white. I'm out of my Stampin' Up! White, so now I'm on to my next pack of white paper, and it's a 110 pound cardstock from Michael's. So yeah, I have a couple different brands, and I'm just going to try and use them one at a time. So let me know what you think, and do you like fairies? Maybe I'll have to do a journal because these are big tags. Actually, hmm, I might give one of these away in the future. I'm not sure. Let me think about that. I have to I have to enjoy them for a little while longer, but maybe I'll give them away. In the meantime, if you watch this all the way to the end, I have a hidden giveaway. I have a pack of paper. This is a half pack of Stampin' Up's balloon, hot air balloon paper that was just in their January to April mini catalog, I think. Don't hold me to that. But if anybody would like this, tell me in the comments down below. Use the word fairy love and tell me your experience with fairy love or a dream that you might have about fairy love. Okay? So use the words fairy love next to each other in a sentence in the comments if you would like this pack of paper. And I don't know whether I'll throw one of these in or not, but maybe. Okay, so that is my giveaway. Do not say anything about hidden giveaway, or it'll be off and everyone will be disqualified. So don't say anything about hidden giveaway. And yeah, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day. Hugs, love, and peace. Oh, I'll do the drawing. Today's 15th. I'll do the drawing on the 22nd. Okay? Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.